start, please press the likes button. Dear Diary, today the boring school life started again. Oh, the school's English was too boring because of the level and teacher in Korean class. We had to change the Cinderella story and made puppets to illustrate the story. Changing the original story was not easy, but we had to make puppets and our skill had become worse. So everyone laughed during our presentation because of our ridiculous puppets. But there was also good things. Today we had PE class and today was dodgeball day. Yay! So we played dodgeball and it was very fun because dodgeball is my favorite sport. Also, I heard some good news. My school elected to be an announcer in the broadcasting department. I had to announce the school story and today's news. And I have to prepare the school's event. It was hard, but we can eat treats in break time, but others can't. Also, we can play in the gymnasium at lunchtime, but others also can't. So I feel very proud and it was very satisfying to do this job. The school ended and we went home. This is all, so please press the like button. Thank you for listening.